How to add a profile picture on Tumblr. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your blog profile page. Next, tap the paintbrush or theme appearance icon at the top of the screen. This is where you can customize how your blog looks. Now tap on the default profile picture or the image placeholder. A menu will appear asking you to choose a photo from your device. Select the photo, then crop or adjust the photo as needed to fit the display area. Once you are satisfied, tap Save. Tumblr will immediately update your profile and show the new image in the preview. If you ever want to update it again, just follow the same steps and upload a new profile picture whenever you like. Now you know how to add a profile picture on Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.